Quote options allow you to include selectable sections within a quote, giving your customer the flexibility to choose between different options before accepting. This is ideal when offering upgrades, alternative solutions, or good, better, best pricing, without needing to create multiple separate quotes. Quote options are configured in the web quote editor. To set this up, open or create a quote. Click the section control button in the section header, then choose the section behavior. There are 3 types: fixed, which is the default and always included in the quote; optional, which gives the customer the ability to toggle the section on or off; and multiple choice, where the customer must select one option from a group. To create a multiple choice group of options, place the sections next to each other at the same level. You can preview the quote from a customer's view at any time by clicking preview. In preview mode, you can toggle between optional sections, switch between multiple choice options, and see totals update instantly. The preview is view only and cannot be accepted while the quote is in draft. Totals update dynamically based on selections. Fixed sections are always included, optional sections are only included if selected, and for multiple choice groups, only the selected options contributes to the total. In the editor, the displayed total reflects the default selections. Once accepted, the selected options are locked in, a finalized version of the quote is created, and unselected options are removed. Your job card and invoices will reflect exactly what was agreed upon. In Fergus Go, you can view and interact with optional and multiple choice sections just like your customer. Section behavior settings must be configured on the web. If you have any questions about quote options, contact our support team.